Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing great in your life plus in your studies also. So this is the mock test challenge which we are running for RRB PO prelims, and in this to-do list it includes SBI JA practice material also, like the to-do list for SBI JA mains also. So first there is current affairs, because current affairs play a huge role in the mains examinations, and then revision of previous current affairs. So current affairs play a huge role in the mains examination, and in this way we have to cover it along with the RRB PO prelims preparation. As SBI JA mains can be held in the next examinations, there are many assumptions that it can be held on 25th of August. So try to prepare yourself and try to cover the current affairs as much as you can. And for current affairs, you can go for Affairs Cloud subscription also, because in Affairs Cloud the current affairs are given in detailed manner and each of the current affair is covered. So there is no need to worry about the material, as their material is very good. And if you attempt, like in the current affair subscription, you get the quizzes of the same questions which you read from the question answer PDF. So it is quite beneficial, and if you attempt the quizzes of the same chapters which you read from the PDF, then you will remember them for a very long time. So for this Affairs Cloud, I will give you the link in description, and by using my code you will get extra 10% discount also. Then there is one prelims mock test of RRB PO prelims. As RRB PO prelims is approaching, so I am attempting one prelims mock test of RRB PO prelims daily. And one thing is that for this RRB PO prelims mock test, tomorrow I will share my mock test marks. And for RRB PO prelims, if you want to go for any test series, then you can go for test book, because test book provides all the access to all the mock tests like SSC, railway, and then banking also in one yearly pass subscription, and it is highly affordable for all the candidates and quite beneficial for the financially weak aspirants. And along with the mock test, you get the practice material for English, maths and reasoning also. So this is quite beneficial. I will give you the link of this test book mock test in description, and by using my code you will get some discount also. Then there is reading of editorial. Do not forget to read editorial at this time, and try to focus on vocabulary also. Then there is banking awareness PDF. So there is banking awareness, and for banking awareness I am following Adda PDF, and you can, if you are unable to find this PDF, then you can drop me a mail and I will give you the link, because it will not be right to give the link of banking awareness here, as it is a paid PDF. Then there are two mains level puzzles. Two mains level puzzles, and I will practice them from mains mock test. Then there are two mains level DIs also. And the most important thing is focusing on your weak areas, which you will find in the RRB PO prelims mock test. So try to focus on that. Like if you are weak at puzzles, then try to focus on puzzles. Try to practice different type of puzzle on daily basis. Okay, sorry, I wrote banking awareness twice. So that's all for today. That's all for tomorrow. I hope you can complete this to-do list and try to give your 100% at this time, because if you stay consistent at this time, then there is high possibility that you will be succeed at the end. So that's all. Thank you and have a nice day, and all the best for your upcoming examinations.